Hello, my name is Alfred Ntombela Kamtetwa. I'm a member of the Four Corners. I would like to apologize for those people that they don't see me on a presentation. But I am a Four Corner member. Please guys, try to believe about Four Corners. Four Corners is there to make us rich. Four Corners is there to solve all our financial problem. As I'm Alfred Ntombela, as an actor, I'm not looking at acting only. I'm also looking at Four Corners. Four Corners members and Four Corners becoming members believe Four Corners is working and is the best. Stick to us. We'll make you famous.